Soul family, and this is going to be super quick. This is really a question that is meant to get you to understand the beauty of your mind. And so the question is there's so much that we can do that a computer is not able to do, that an Android, I don't care who you are, making all these androids and robots to bring about a singular movement. But the thing about it is a computer truly just mimics the beauty of our minds. But you know what? There's something that a computer can't do. I'm going to take a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, whatever it is. I'm going to give you some time, actually, to think about it. What God was bringing to my mind is that a computer cannot slow down. It's beautiful, don't you think? So a computer is programmed to go exceedingly fast. Every year, it seems like we turn left, we turn right. It's an upgrade, a phone upgrade, internet upgrade. And the upgrade is not to slow down, but the upgrade is to go faster and faster and faster. But here's the thing about it. Hallelujah. We have a phenomenal brain. We are able to do phenomenal things when we're not pressed by the fluctuations and manipulations of the world, right? And that's what's so wonderful about going to Jesus. Says, if you cry out to me, I shall save you. All those who cry out unto the Lord shall be what? Rejected? Ignored? Manipulated? No. Shall be saved. But see, we have to slow ourselves down, and that is the answer. Computers, they're geared to go fast. But what direction are we going into? I saw this picture, it was on a YouTube. I saw this picture about, and I'm going to try to find the picture, but it shows how, quote unquote, mankind of this world believe that we are derived from apes. And so it shows how coming from apes and our posture, catch this one, each time as you're looking at it, and I'm going to really scour for this one, but each time as you look at the ape and the next evolution and the next evolution, their spines are erect. But the question is that that's through a process, right? How come we are not erecting and raising our consciousness? Is it the fact that our spines are erect, but our consciousness is coming down low? Now the thing about it is that when we come to find how beautiful God is, we don't have to wander aimlessly as Cain did. We can slow down. Do we really need food faster? Does it really need to be manipulated by genetically mortified ways? Or do we need to be as children and lean on the Lord? So interesting. Are we here to live our lives by the means of reacting, or should we respond to the brilliance of God's divine plan? You know, as I looked at that image that he had up, it was showing the monkey, and then it was showing slowly and slowly how mankind is straightening up their posture. But how come we're not straightening up our acts? And if we're straightening up our posture, then what are we straightening up ourselves to? When we are trying to reflect the world and not the beautiful divine ways of God. So, computers, they're meant to go fast. It's always faster and faster and faster. But they're not complementing us when we are meant to have faith and trust and go slow. And is it really going slow? Or is it being at peace with God Almighty? Have a beautiful and wonderful day.